I haven't been on the vlog for a long time, and I really don't have that much of an excuse for it. I've just been kind of busy and haven't really done anything. I've switched jobs twice now. I used to work at Panera, stopped working at Panera, then I worked at Discount Tire for a couple of months, which is why my absence was there. I was working 5 days a week, and so when I wasn't in school, I was at work. And basically, what I realized is that this needs to stop. Something needs to change because I was not having any free time. So basically what I decided to do is to switch jobs again, and so now I work at Ventana Dine and Wine. So it's like right above a Lexus dealership, which is really cool. It's right here in Escondido, only like 10 minutes away from my house, so everything's pretty good. So a lot has happened in the past couple of months, and one of them being is that I got another car. I got a Nissan 350Z. It says that it's the Fairlady Z and the Nismo, and it has this Nismo stripe across it. There is a lot of stuff that probably needs to be changed on it, but I bought this car not to have as like a daily driver or anything, because that's what I have my other car for. I bought this one more to be for like kind of tracking, or like a daily tracking. And what I mean by that is I want to be able to break stuff on it and have this basically become like a race car. I want this to become as race car-y as possible. Basically, I had it straight piped the other day, which oh my gosh, it is so loud. Like, you can hear my car for miles now, which is, oh my gosh, it sounds so good. Love it. But so you guys will be seeing a lot more of her. I named her Sky, so big reveal, guys. Got a new car, and I have a lot of stuff planned for it. Okay guys, for our next course of action, not many people seem to know this, but what I've found is that if you take one of these Miracle-Gro garden feeders and you open it up, you can actually put in the soap that you're going to use to wash your car into it, and it actually creates this nice soapy blend as you go over the car without putting on too much pressure. So this is like a cheaper way to do a foam cannon, and for this I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So first things of all, you have to wash this out. So I'll go ahead and wash this out real quick. Okay guys, so I have this car wash soap. I don't know exactly where I got it. It's been in our shed for years, but if you put in some, fill it up, make sure it's like kind of nice, so you get this nice mixture in there, and then you want to put in some water because it uses it as a fluid that it pulls out. Screw this on. Okay. What I have to do is I'm changing the secondary color on this car from red with the pinstripe to be gold with all the stickers. So I guess the first thing I have to do is take off all of these stickers on here. So the way I've been taught to take off these stickers is you just use like a little X-Acto knife, a new one. Very careful. Just slowly pick it up like that. And then you should be able to just peel it. Should be able to is the key word. You have to do it very gentle and not at too much of a slant, otherwise you'll scratch your car though. So you're literally just trying to peel off this top layer. Let's see, so it started to rip again. I don't know. Hopefully I can get this. It's coming. There we go. There we go. Alrighty guys, so now I've taken off the strip from this side. It didn't take too long. There's still a bit of residue. It looks way better actually. Okay guys, so I heard that WD-40 takes off sticker glue the best, and because I don't have WD-40, I just have water resistant silicone lubricant. So it says WD-40 on it. We'll see if it does the same thing, but you should just spray it on and then let it soak, and then you should be able to just scrape it right off with a plastic credit card or something like that. So without further ado, let's get it soaking. Okay, now that we have that all soaking, let's do the other side. Okay, so I just put on the stickers, and what I like to do is I run my finger over all the letters. That way you know you have like a good, nice, tight fit. There we go. Color changes. That looks really cool. So I'll put the Society sticker right over it. Okay, so I found this shell card in my wallet, which I don't even know that I had this. So I'm gonna try it. Let's do it on the one that was out in the sun, because that might come off easier. No way. It's literally just coming right off. Look at that. It's perfect. So I'm gonna go do this because I need 2 hands to do this. Wow. Alrighty guys, so everything is good, everything is great. Not seeing anything, everything looks good. Perfect. So next thing is you're gonna peel this off. It's been sitting for quite 40 minutes, so see, it just wants to come right off. Really easy. If you notice, there's a little bump right there, so if you notice anything start to come off a little, you just push it down. Perfect. Looking all nice and clean. So then what I like to do is again go over with the finger in case anything came undone. Don't want anything getting under this. More concerned about this small lettering right here because it has less adhesive area to stick to. There we go. Looks good. Next I want to put the Society sticker on. So get Society. So in between the C and the I should match right about right there. So now you just pull off the sticker again. And make sure you do this very carefully and that nothing separates from it, otherwise you won't have a good stick, which isn't good. And again, because I don't have a stand, I can't really show you, but I'll center this to the best of my ability. It's looking pretty good, so just want to make sure you work from the inside and work your way out. So let's start off with the top one, I guess. One, two, three, 6. Bottom of the 6. Now, time to pull off the front one. That looks good. Ooh. Okay, these go inside. There we go guys, just put them on. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna put some more up on top. Alrighty guys, so I just finished putting on the rest of the stickers. As you can see, I tucked it in all of this and made it look all really nice. That looks pretty good. These bottom stickers I wanted them to tuck in, but this crack right here was a little bit too loose. So what I ended up doing is I just put these in. Maybe it'll stick over a little bit of time, but so there's that. Just kind of need to clean up, so I got that down there, got the Ismo, got the reflective stickers, Ismo, R1 Concepts again, and I've got the stickers on the front. I've made quite a mess with all of these little pieces. Anyways, thank you for watching me as I helped show you guys a couple of tricks. Thanks, have a good day.